Yeah, he found another piece.
You found another piece?
Where did it go? How did he see it? Where did it go?
I don't know. Go back and see if you can find some more.
Okay. Oh, there's a piece of a golden eel.
Uh-huh.
I think I need to telescope to look for more treasure.
Okay.
Papa.
Huh?
You can look at the telescope and you can see it for more treasure.
You can't catch it. You see any? Huh?
I think I want you to dig right into the middle here.
Okay.
Oh! Ah, that scared us.
That's it.
That scared us like heck.
What you got? Oh my.
It scared us.
What's that? Let me see.
It's a golden one.
Oh, me.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let me see it.
Put it in your box. Put it in your box over there. Wow.
That scared us like heck.
Mm-hmm.
Where do we dig?
I said right here, so I think that's where we just saw that gold.
Get your thing, huh?
Let me get a piece of gold.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little tiny gold
Let me
piece.
see. Put it in my hand.
Look at your thing.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Piece of a gold.
Yeah, let Nanny see it. Okay. Nanny see it. Okay. All right.
Let me help you, Pop.
Help me dig. I need some help.
Here's how you do it. Here's got something.
Oh, okay. Get a big old shovel full, right? Don't throw it on your knee.